You're looking at what looks like a storm in a bottle, but what you're seeing is tiny droplets of alcohol that condense after an alpha particle passes through. This is proof of protons and neutrons. How we made this is we took a mason jar, put a sponge in it and soaked it with isopropyl alcohol, blacked out the lid, and then turned it upside down on top of dry ice and waited until it cooled enough that we could see the condensation trails. This is the first type of cloud chamber, and now they have bigger and better ones at CERN where they can see the alpha particles and even see quarks and electrons. If you happen to see any squiggly lines, those are the electrons. The protons and neutrons are much bigger and they form straight lines.